Hey guys, it's me Levon, Loaded Operator 7, and today we are looking at my shooting range. Check it out. It goes all the way back there. Got 100 yards, roughly about 100 yards. I could push it back a little further if I want to, but this is perfectly fine. And here's some targets at, I think this is 20 yards. 20 yards or I don't know, whatever. I moved everything around because I had a buddy of mine come with his tractor, as you can see right here. All the soil's nice and soft, and he built me a nice berm at the back. And we pushed back my range a little bit further. But this is it. I'll take all my, it's one of my shooting targets right there. My hanging targets. Check it out, man. How cool is it here? Look at this. So yeah, I'll build up onto that. Add a little bit more. Set my targets down there. Look how beautiful it is over here. So yeah, that's pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. I can actually see where my center is. So there you go. Yep. And so yeah, I'm gonna build that little shed down there so it'll catch. Yeah, this is all new. In fact, this is where I had my original wood pile here, and then he pushed it all back further. I can go back a little more, but I think that's just perfectly fine. I can't even see my targets from all the way over there. I got those steel targets that are about that round, and I paint them bright colors so I could actually see them. But it's darker in there than it was over here. Look, it's nice and lighted. Well, I guess it'll shift. I'm not going to cut down any of my old growths. These guys are staying, but I will cut down crap like those like maple saps and stuff in the background and all that crap. So those will go, and then anything that's pretty much. Man, you know what? I don't want to cut down any of that. That's just beautiful. Look how quiet it is. Well, that's gonna change. Ah! Bang, 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 baby. Anyway, so that's what it looks like. That's the shooting range. Yep. I'm buying me a new tractor. I went to the Kubota dealership. Got to talk to a couple of my neighbors. Find out what class of tractor that they have, so that when they do hay and whatnot, I can help out. In case one of their machines are down, I can give a hand. That's how we do things out here. This is all the stuff I cut down just to open up the area. And yeah, like I said, my good buddy Nate, by far some of the better people that live around here, and I'm blessed that they're my friends. I got Jeremy and I got Nate. So came over with his boy, leveled out this whole area for me. I did the fine tuning. Still not 100%. I got to bring the middle down just a little bit, and then that's going to be raised up quite a bit. I just got to put the roof on it. I'll put something just lightweight so that if it's raining or whatnot. And then I cut down all the stuff that was dead. There's a stump over there. I pulled out a couple of dead ones there with my initials carved into them. And then yeah, so that's it. I think I might even take a couple of those guys down. Like that leaner over there is going to come down. And those are the ones I'm talking about. Those guys, I don't mind cutting those guys down, like these little things. But if it's like that guy, I'm not going to touch that guy. Good old Douglas fir has been there for probably longer than I've been alive. So, well, maybe not. I might not be as old as I think it is. But I do got some oldies in the house, or around the house. My cedar, and then I got another Douglas fir that I got they're right next to each other in the background there. Anyway, I digress. Shooting range, yay! I'll let you guys see it's when it's all done. I'm going to put a little wood burning stove in here, keep us warm during the winter so we can still go bang bang when it's snowing. Talk to you guys later. Love you guys. Bye.